Hello, in this series of Amazon Web Services, we are going to explore the billing. We are going to explore how to delete or terminate services to avoid being billed. First of all, you will type the word billing. You don't see it on your screen. B-I-L-L. It's showing up right there. Billing. You click on billing, results. And I am a free trial for 1 year, but I got nailed for $354. I need to find out what other services running. So mm, the next thing you do, click on resource group. Click on resource group and tab. When you click on the tag editor, it's already giving you the southeast. You do not want the southeast because you need to see all the region. You click on all the region. You want to type your resource type. Click on AWE. Look for AWE. Well, AW instance is showing up right there. Nothing shows up for me. You gotta do a search for that. If you don't see anything, go on and do some more. AW again. I got an AW API. APC. I got one right there. And hit a search. And I scroll down, I see a whole lot of VPC. So first of all, you need to find out what services are running if you actually need it. If you do not need it, then it's okay. I was just running a trial, so I need to get rid of all this. So click on the first one. And when the first one comes in, you see running UPAC. Click on the action. You want to delete. Click on delete. Will be deleted. It's not yet deleted yet, so it will say will be deleted. I acknowledge that I want to delete my default virtual private network. Type delete default feed. Delete default. You gotta type delete default. You gotta type the word DELETE You hit delete. That is how painful it is to go on and delete all the surfaces. Now you successfully deleted the default VPZ, virtual personal PC. All right, now you go back to the next. If we hit back, see what happened here, and you can go back and type it again. Group or resource groups. Resource group. Resource group tab editor. You click on tab editor again, and then get rid of the waste and get all of it. And then again, you go down to EC, PC, and then you hit the search button. I got a bunch of them. All right, now you have seen how I did the first one. I have to repeat the process again until everything is deleted. Again, that is how you go ahead and minimize the costs. Once everything is deleted, the next step is